Okay, right now I'm just gonna go over a quick outline of how I plan on coloring this Pikachu. Okay, so if any of you have not seen how Pikachu looks like, I'll just explain the colors that we should be using. Okay, so the body colors, that's including the head, we will be using yellow. More like a light yellow, not, we won't be using normal, just a light yellow. Maybe, actually we may be using a normal, it depends on what I'm thinking. Okay, and the eyes, they're black, right? But they do have sort of a sparkle, right? Because this right now it looks like it's always angry. So I'm going to be adding like a white area to it, but it will be black, okay? And these cheek areas, these little circles, well, those are red. Okay, so just to let you know, the tail part is also yellow, and everything pretty much is except the ears. Okay, some people debate on how the ears, the colors should look like, so I'm also debating on how it should look like. Pretty much, actually, I'm just gonna do what everybody else does. The majority of people, they just color the ears using black on top of it, so this should be black. So yeah, I'm just gonna use black instead. But if you really want to, you can mix it up with a brown and black. I'll figure it out what I should use right after when I start. Okay. And then about the sign, Pokemon, okay? If none of you have known, or if you guys have forgotten, just wanted to let you know that this interior portion is supposed to be yellow, while the actual outline portion is supposed to be a bluish color, like a light blue. So we will be doing that, addressing that coloring when we actually use crayon and pencil crayon and paint. So don't worry, probably need to outline this instead of thing. Okay, so now we need to focus on the circle. So if you don't know what this is a Pokeball. You catch Pokemon using this. Very important when you're catching Pokemon. Okay, so this Pokeball, we're going to be coloring the top red and using the bottom white, and right along these lines we are going to be using black, and in the interior portions we're going to be using gray, like a dark gray or something, two dark grays. Okay, so depending whether I should blend that in, but it depends. So and there's also other different types of Pokeballs which I don't even want to bother even attempting to do unless you know how they look like, because like sometimes there's a Master Ball that has an M or something like that. Guess who cares about that? Okay, so after we're done all of that, like I said before, we had empty space around here, right? So what I want to do is just create some sort of scenery around here. Right now I'm just going to try to keep it simple right now. Just write down Pikachu, the name, and then probably some lines here just to give it the sense that there's electricity or light, yeah, just some electricity coming out. And if anything, if I ever do find a problem, I'll just add a sky in, and it's, yeah, sky on top. But yeah, just if I write down Pikachu, do the back in, let's say the repeating, I'll figure the back, we'll figure the color of the back, but I want to start trying to put in some sort of lightning. So, because if you don't know, Pikachu is an electric type of Pokemon, so that's nice. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next video where we actually color this picture. So once again, before I leave you, keep it simple. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video, and possibly leave a comment if you want to.